Bengal has always been a land of renaissance. Now Bengal is also witnessing a renaissance in economy and business. Friends, I come from the western part of India. It is generally believed that western states are leaders in economy and business. But this situation is changing rapidly. For proof, just look at this Global Business Summit. Mamta Didi, my heartiest congratulations to you and your government. What a splendid summit you have organized. Each time I come here, and I have come here for every summit from 2016, I think it cannot be better. But you have proved me wrong every single time. This summit is consistently becoming bigger and more prestigious. And today, we have 20 global partner countries with us. My warm welcome to each and every one of our countries. And why is this so? Because I believe today Bengal means soaring vision. Today, Bengal means mighty ambition. Today, Bengal means efficient implementation. In short, Bengal under Mamta Didi means business. And Mamta Didi always means business and business from her heart. What the Chief Minister promises, her team delivers, as Saurabh said. This is the hallmark of a great leader. And in fact, she has been in office for nearly 14 years, means that Bengal has immensely benefited from policy continuity and her leadership. My dear Mamta Didi, your name Mamta stands for empathy or compassion. But Didi, in your name stands for a tireless leader. You are empathy and energy personified. Just now, Mamta Didi told me she walks 64,000 steps. And then Sajan and I are sitting with her. I said, oh, 64,000 a week. That's okay. She said, no, it's 64,000 steps every single day. And that is her energy that she has. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayer Mukh Swargo Sukh. It translates to a mother's space is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond, where a mother's love is considered sacred and divine. Empathy for the common people is the guiding principle on all your policies and welfare schemes. This is most striking, seen in your initiatives for the education of the girl child, women's empowerment, and poverty alleviation. All of India needs this kind of inclusive and sustainable model of development so that no Indian is left behind and no region in India is left behind. Thank you for your leadership, Mamta Didi. Esteemed friends, in today's fast-changing world, India has become a beacon of growth and hope. Within this fast-changing India, Bengal has become a source of growth and hope. Therefore, it is the best time for investing in Bengal as we are marching towards leadership based on technology and the power of our youth. Bengal's strategic location and fast improving physical infrastructure gives the state an enviable edge. But the biggest asset of Bengal is its people. Over 100 million hardworking, extremely talented and highly cultured people. In the emerging era of knowledge economy, your state has a special advantage because Bengal has always been a land of super intelligent people. When natural intelligence is enhanced by the capabilities of artificial intelligence, there is no way that Bengal can fail. And no power on earth can stop Bengal's resurgence. Distinguished friends, Reliance's commitment to Bengal's all-around development remains unwavering. In 2016, when I first attended this summit, Reliance's investment stood below 2,000 crores. Today, in less than a decade, our investments in Bengal have increased 20 times, and we are invested over 50,000 crores of rupees. Mamta Didi, we shall double this investment by the end of this decade. More importantly, our investments have created over 1 lakh direct jobs and spurred significant economic growth in West Bengal. Today, I want to make 5 specific commitments. First, digital infrastructure and services. Back in 2016, Jio opened its commercial operations from Calcutta, this very city, the city of joy. This auspicious launch has proved, Didi, very lucky for us. It not only triggered a digital revolution across the whole of India, it transformed India into a digital superpower. Today, Jio is not just the #1 digital services provider or the data company in India. It is the #1 data company in the world, and this started from Calcutta. By the end of 2023, Jio completed the fastest transnational 5G rollout in the world.